Championship Finals as our two best contestants raise their shirts and raise themselves on competition. Hello, Mommy! Hey, Mom! Watch me! I'm gonna kick this guy's butt! On your marks, get set! Nice one, narrator guy. Who's gonna go first? Okay, Razor Sharp, you go first. 2 hours later. Wait, I'm sorry. 85 billion hours later. Now, how come we keep on counting the hours? Hey, man, check the order, man. Oops. Not again. Ew! Digested pizza! Get it away from me! Pizza? Where? I want pizza. Yes, and that concludes our thing. Chuckles 371! Woo! Go Chuckles! You. Wait. I got one more. Get off the mic! Seriously, get off the mic. Your shoes are making it dirty. Get off my mic, man! I'm serious. You're frozen in time. He's frozen in time. Frozen in time. Frozen in time. Frozen in time. Shut your mouth. Frozen in. I froze him with my freeze ray. Oh yeah. Who did that? Stupid narrator guy. Oh, she's dead. I'm gonna kill the. Oh yeah? Watch this! Wait, that was screaming. What the heck? That was fun. Silly Finn. Okay, well, everybody's doing that. It's my episode. It's my Chuckles 57's episode. Hello, everybody. It's Chuckles 57's episode. And I'm awesome. And that person over there is not. Ooh, 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 ooh.